You used to only be able to shorten the end or the beginning of each clip. So if you made a mistake in the middle, you would have to add multiple clips just so you could get rid of the mistake. Well, now you can add splits, and this is going to allow you to get rid of any parts of your videos that you made a mistake in. In this video, I'm going to show you the new split feature in Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. We're going to start in Instagram Reels and we're just going to record. Let's record using the new green screen effect. One of the most important things when creating videos is making sure you have your white balance. So with the white balance, you're indicating what is white by typically using a white sheet of paper, and you're going to let the camera know that that is white so all the other colors match it. And this way, you can avoid looking yellow or orange or weird in any of your videos. Okay, so I have that recorded. I'm going to go to next, and I'm going to go to my edit clips. So I have to click on my clip. And now I'm going to see the split button here. So before, when I wanted to cut little parts of this section out, the only options I would have is to zoom. See, I can cut the front or the back. And now with split, I can put my indicator anywhere I want. Let's say I want to cut out, let's just cut out like the whole blue part, so it's only orange. So I'm just going to put a split there. So that's going to make it into a new clip. And then I'm going to put another split. Let's put it right there. And so now you can see that I have 3 video clips. And what I can do is I can click on that middle one and I can get rid of it. And so now I'm only going to have those 2. Another thing that makes this really cool is by doing this, you can add transitions anywhere in your clip. So say I want a transition here in the middle. So I can click on that clip, I can press split, and then I can exit out of there, zoom in on this middle part, and it's going to allow me to add a transition. So this is going to allow you to add transitions anywhere in the middle of your clip, which is awesome because you can have so much more control when you're editing now. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time,